Look at this orange Jeep.
I know, it's so cool. I would get one.
Oh yeah.
That actually. Alright, there they are.
Okay. Which ones?
Right.
Maybe we could get this one instead. Babe, maybe we could get this one instead since it's gonna go inside the closet. Wouldn't need it to be like heavy duty.
Right. Do you think it'll be able to land inside?
Yeah, it could go up or down.
You think?
Right here.
Or what if we do 2 of these and just fill that back wall?
Are they gonna fit? Well, I still want space to the height.
Yeah. But his clothes won't be long until he's like.
Yeah, but then we would have to change.
Yeah, so let's do this one. Hold on. How wide is that?
Is it gonna go from wall to wall?
Oh no.
How much space are we gonna have?
We're gonna have like.
So today is Saturday and my husband is home today. So we decided to work on a little project. We are in the middle of doing Vincent's big boy room. He's gonna be transitioning here soon once the new baby arrives. So today we're gonna be working on a closet. We're gonna be completely redoing it. Let me show you guys the before what the closet looked like so you guys kind of have an idea like the before and after. This is what we had before. Basically gonna take everything down and install completely new closet. So that's gonna be happening right now. What you got there? What is that? Let me see. Dada took them away?
No, Winston took them away.
Winston took them away? Oh. Let me see. Can I see them? Can I see them? Oh, they're so little. Maybe Dada will need them for the closet. Later, we're finishing up Vincent's closet right now. We were just waiting for the shelf to come in. So my husband is assembling that right now and it's gonna go inside the closet, and that's basically gonna be it for Vincent's closet makeover. I'm gonna show you guys the shelf that I'm talking about. Basically, my husband is assembling this like a storage shelf right now. I got it off Amazon and it came in literally like the other day. So he's putting that together right now. Vincent, of course, is helping him. So they should be done really soon. And then I get to move all the Vincent's clothes into his new closet. And that way I can start working on the nursery and putting baby stuff in the nursery. So this is what the closet looks like so far, even though I think I already showed you guys in my previous couple clips. My husband was installing this top shelf and the rod over here, but right now he's working on the shelf, which is gonna go basically right over here. It's gonna be a little bit more of storage room. So they're doing that right now. Can't wait to see what it all looks like together. We still have to hang up these picture frames on the wall, but other than that, I think it's gonna be all done.
Okay.
No,
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Now we need C1.
Alright guys, so I just finished transferring Vincent's clothes into his new closet, and you guys, I'm loving how everything turning out. I know he's gonna love it, and honestly this closet is so much bigger than his old closet. There's so much more room. Still working on it, but I did wanted to show you guys how it's looking so far, because that's how it's gonna stay for a little while until like I add a couple things. This is how the closet is looking so far. I'm so happy with it. Like I said, I just finished transferring all of his clothes over. I still have to put things inside these bins, but I got them from Walmart the other day and they were super inexpensive. I think they were like under $6. So if you're looking for some storage bins, definitely check out Walmart. Top over here, I'm thinking to add some more storage bins or something. I'm not sure, but for now that's how his closet is gonna look like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this whole process of us doing this closet. I'm so happy that it's finally done. Enjoyed watching this whole process. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Link to my Instagram is down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!